Hi, this is Grace again. On my previous video, I posted about food photography and some friends asking me and sending me a message on how to do it, or do I have a tutorial about it. So today I just want to share my little knowledge on photography using an iPhone, okay? Watch this. So what we are going to do first is we're going to take the depth of field, which is blurring the background of your subject. So there's a blur effect of the background of your subject. So let's say, for example, that is our subject, the base with a daisy flower over there. Okay, all right, let's go. Okay, so to take the depth of field photos, just set your camera into portrait. All right. Okay, and then if you want to have a vivid color or whatever color you want, just stop here, and then I want this vivid color. Okay, so let's say, for example, if you want to have a very bright color, just up, drag it up. Or if you want to have a dark color, just drag it out. Okay, so for me also, it's up to you how you are going to set the ISO of your camera, of your iPhone. So I just want to have like that, and then lock your subject and then take a photo. Alright, so if you want to shoot close-up photos, just focus your subject. Okay, just take a look. Alright, so what we are going to do is I want to focus my subject, and she's our subject here, my Persian. Okay, just lie down like that. So what I'm going to do, so I already set my camera into vivid settings because I want this kind of color, and then I just want to focus her face. Okay, again, you can set your ISO whatever you want. You can drag it up and drag it out. So I want her face, focus her face, just lock it out for a set, and then take the photo. And to see like that, it's pretty clear. See? Alright. Next is the landscape photography. So what you are going to do is just switch on the HDR for better exposure. So this stands for high dynamic range. So when you are going to use the HDR, the camera captures several images at different exposure. So from dark to bright. So from here you can see the HDR, just turn it on, and then you can also set whatever ISO you want. Okay, so it's up to you. Alright, so I have a better capture. So for the landscape photography, of course, you are going to take a photo outside. So let's say, for example, that's it. It's pretty easy.